I'm Shayan Roy. Today back with another video. It's about TEDx game. So you might have know TEDx. So this is basically TEDx game. This is a TEDx game. You might have played it in Google Chrome offline mode, but today we are going to play this by our Python script. So for this we have to go this website first, then my GitHub profile link will be given in the YouTube description. So here is all the files needed. So first step is you have to clone these files, clone all the files. Then you have to go to your command prompt or in terminal. You have to run this instruction to install all our requirements. So what are our requirements? Our requirements is pin, numpy, and pyauto-GUI and time library for Python. So if you are going to run this code from any terminal, then you will get like this, and you have to execute python tedx.ai.py, or you can go and if you are going to run it some from IDE, then here is the option, then simple just hit the run button. But you have to remember to split the screen because the game is in half system. So okay, just demonstrate it. If you are going to play this game in full screen, then it will not work. It will work only for this website and for this split screen type. So okay, I'm splitting this and I'm going to run it. So wait. You can check the game is automatically running. I am not playing it. Again, hit it. Again. Look, it's going automatically without anything, and it's running here. Okay, till now. And you can, but one thing in mind, you have to keep in mind that you have to stop this script, otherwise it will be a problem. So from terminal you have to just go to your directory. So in my case it's in my desktop. So here I will use python tedx.ai.py, and then I will hit enter. So it will automatically run. Here error and game over. You can check that it's automatically run. So okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and give a like. Thank you.